Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, it's a 7-minute video. The first bit is talking about taking the cover off and disconnecting things. It shows remove these 2 pins. It then shows the sleeve going on there. Then that going on there. And then the 3 bolts. Okay, so that's there, and then it says the spring there should actually just show it's hollow on one side for the spring to sit in, and black on the other. And the spring fits in that hollow. And it says put these in. I'm going back to using Loctite again. Which ones are the holes? What am I?
Is naked in the cold winter air. Split it in the cases of the single pot beast. My simple whale change turned the nightmare lease. Is it a clutch?
These are 5mm hex Allen key. And the torque for these is 10.
Made like a gun, well the factory said, but there's a loose bullet rolling around in her bed. Push rods and oil pumps all looking tight. I'm chasing a ghost through the hours of the night. Organized chaos on the cardboard sheets while the rest of the suburbs is fast asleep. Find the missing threads, lock them down tight. We'll piece her back together, make her run right.
Now, I can see why it says use the short one, because that sits flush with these sit proud, but they were all the same length, so. Okay, so that's done. No spare parts, so I'm happy with that.